5 benefits of a managed IT provider. Number 1. Enjoy more uptime. Software patching and proactive maintenance contribute to keeping IT systems faster and more stable. A faster, more stable network means happier employees. Speaking of employees, number 2, an entire workforce without the employee hassles. Why settle for a single employee when you can get a whole team for the same price? Plus, you won't have to deal with the employment tax hassles or even employee benefits. Number 3, keep your business safe. MSPs protect your data with backup and disaster recovery solutions. 70% of small firms that experience a major data loss will go out of business within a year. Use an MSP and don't be a statistic. Number 4, focus on what's most important. With a managed service provider, you can rest easy knowing that you have a team to take care of computer, network, and other technology issues. This frees up resources to focus on growing your business. Focus on what is most important. We'll handle the technology. Number 5, simplify support issues. Many businesses deal with multiple technology vendors. When something goes wrong, your staff may struggle to find the right people to call. Managed service providers give you one point of contact to handle all of your issues. In short, hiring a managed service provider helps have more productive employees, save money, and stay ahead of technology issues. To find out more about how our services can help your business, call us or visit our website